At the southern tip of Africa, where hills of pristine Fynbos flow into the abundant Atlantic Ocean, lies the tranquil haven of Grootbos Private Nature Reserve. As a custodian of these majestic areas, Grootbos is inspired by the power of nature to shape consciousness and evoke a profound sense of well-being. Experience a relaxed, guided tour of the reserve and listen to the stories of rare pollinators and uncanny behaviors that make the Cape Floral Kingdom so phenomenally unique. Meander among the textured trunks of ancient milkwood trees and be soothed by the resounding stillness of the forest. Discover the indigenous medicines hidden amongst the glowing flowers and how our ancestors flourished along this bountiful coast. Lay back and experience deep relaxation as you gently drift into a new state of mind. Immerse yourself in wholesome farm goodness. Sample the Fynbos honey from the hives and savor organic produce grown by local community members. Experience the wonders of destination dining in magical locations and indulge the senses with imaginative cuisine and exquisite wines. Stroll along miles of empty beaches and let the rhythm of the waves lull you into tranquility, or unwind in soothing self-care treatments with locally made products in the comfort of your suite or beneath an enchanted milkwood canopy. Relax in the gentle ambiance of the luxurious lodges which echo the calming nature of the surrounding environment. Breathe in the freshest coastal air. Watch the sun set behind beautiful Walker Bay and liberate yourself in this wilderness of well-being. Grootbos Private Nature Reserve. Wellness and well-being in nature.